Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn a normal photo into a crayon styles painting in ChatGPT. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your ChatGPT and then next just tap on menu and then go to images and then next just on this styles image, just choose crayon, this one, and then just choose your photo from your gallery, or you can also take a new selfie from your camera. And in this tutorial I will just choose a photo from my gallery. Just tap on choose photo and then next just upload your photo that you want to transform. For example, I want to choose this one and then after that just tap on done and wait for the process. And okay, like this, your photo is now transformed into a beautiful, cute crayon painting with textures, strokes, and vibrant colors like this. I think it's so beautiful but also cute like this. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.